What is up, guys? I'm going to be playing some Mac. It is a Air Force game where you can either play online or you can do survival. Today I'm going to be doing some survival, but the real name of the game is called Modern Aircraft. Since I'm a beginner, I have this jet, not any of the other jets. Give me 1 second. I'm at active 2. Alright, now I'm gonna be doing some survivor gameplay. Sorry if my volume is down. Had to turn it down. So basically, I have to tilt my tablet, and I can only shoot 2 missiles. Like this. That is my machine gun. I can shoot anything. If I can hit him, I'm trying to get him down. It's very like a practice game. But when you're doing something like this will be hard. Oh yeah, you have to also dodge missiles that are incoming. And also dodge bullets. I usually send 2 missiles to see if I can at least get them down. I know he can catch me, but at least I'm trying. It's harder than it looks. The machine gun sometimes helps me. The missiles only shoot directly when I have them in my sight. That's what the circle and the red arrow is for. I usually die like during wave 4 and stuff, so yeah, it's hard. See, like how you see when the red arrows form and I shoot a missile? They try to shoot it directly. Come on. Ah! Never fail. Got him. I am getting shot at myself. Ah! Sorry if you hear me grunting. That's me just crying. It's like let me see. I know you guys saw me dodge those missiles, and I tried to. You guys saw me dodge those missiles. Although they shot 2, I still had the power to dodge them. Alright. Alright guys, that's gonna be it for today. I was just showing you some modern aircraft gameplay. And I'll see you guys when I see you guys. Signing off.